Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the foundation double crochet stitch. It's one of the foundation crochet stitches where you make something that looks like a chain and a double crochet at the same time, making the first row a foundation stitch instead of doing first chains, then doing double crochet stitches after that. Start by making a slip knot and place the slip knot onto the crochet hook. The next step is to chain 4 stitches. Then you're going to yarn over and insert the crochet hook into the first chain you made and pull up a loop. Then you're going to yarn over and go through 1 loop, and this is the chain part of the foundation double crochet. Then yarn over and go through 2 loops, and yarn over and go through 2 loops, and that was the double crochet part of the foundation double crochet. Then we'll do 1 more, yarn over, and then insert the crochet hook into something that looks like a chain with 2 loops, and yarn over and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and go through 1 loop, and this is the chain part. Then yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2, and that was the half double crochet. I mean the double crochet part. Let's do another one. Yarn over, insert a crochet hook into something that looked like a chain, and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and go through the first loop on the crochet hook. Then yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2, and that was another double crochet stitch. I mean foundation double crochet stitch. And let's do one final one. Yarn over, insert a crochet hook into the chain and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and go through 1, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. And that was how to crochet the foundation double crochet. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to crochet the foundation double crochet. I hope you enjoy using this technique in your next crochet project.